Welcome to our roundup of the best random orbital sanders of 2026. Essential tools for anyone involved in woodworking, refinishing furniture, auto bodywork, or DIY projects where smooth, even sanding matters. Random orbital sanders combine powerful performance with a motion that reduces swirl marks, helping you achieve a more professional finish on wood, metal, or painted surfaces. Today's models offer improved dust collection, ergonomic grips, variable speed controls, and durable constructions that make sanding faster and more comfortable. We've selected a range of sanders to suit different needs, from budget-friendly options to more powerful cordless models that deliver greater flexibility. Let's take a closer look at what makes each sander stand out. Starting with the DEK Pro Random Orbital Sander, this tool is a solid choice for users looking for dependable performance at an affordable price. It typically comes with a comfortable grip and straightforward controls that make it easy to manage even on longer sanding sessions. With a reasonably sized sanding pad and smooth orbital motion, it's well suited for smoothing rough wood, removing old finishes, and preparing surfaces for paint or stain. The built-in dust collection system helps keep your workspace cleaner by capturing particles as you work, which is especially helpful indoors. This model often includes a robust selection of sanding discs in different grits, so you can start a range of tasks right away. For hobbyists and occasional DIYers, this sander offers a balance of performance and value without unnecessary complexity. Next up is the Galax Pro 280W Orbital Sander, a dependable powered sander that brings a bit more muscle to your sanding tasks. With its stronger motor and larger sanding surface, it handles larger patches of material more quickly than basic models. Variable speed control lets you adjust the sanding intensity to match the material and task at hand, giving you better control over your finish. The ergonomic design helps reduce fatigue during extended use, and many versions include an efficient dust bag or collection port to reduce airborne debris. It also tends to run smoothly and quietly compared with other sanders in its class, making it less tiring to use over time. Whether you're working on furniture, cabinetry, or home improvement projects, this sander delivers steady performance at a competitive price and can be a dependable part of your workshop. Moving on to the Work Pro Random Orbit Sander, this model steps up the quality with solid build construction and steady sanding performance. Designed for regular workshop use, it brings a more comfortable grip and responsive control that help improve precision. Its orbital motion helps prevent swirl marks and uneven sanding, giving you a smoother finish with less effort. Many users find that its balanced weight and stable operation make it easier to maintain consistent sanding patterns on larger surfaces or longer sessions. In addition, some versions include quick-change sanding pad attachments that save time when switching grits or disc types. For hobbyists and occasional DIYers who want a reliable tool that holds up under regular use, this WorkPro model is a dependable choice. Taking the number 2 spot is the Jealous Random Orbital Sander, a versatile option that blends power with user-friendly design. This sander typically offers a strong motor, variable speed settings, and enhanced dust management systems that help improve both performance and cleanup. Its ergonomic build and grip positioning make it comfortable to use, reducing fatigue during extended sanding jobs. Whether you're stripping paint, smoothing rough timber, or finishing drywall seams, this model provides responsive performance and control that can help you achieve a more refined surface. Many users praise its durability and consistent sanding results across a wide range of materials, and the integrated dust collection often captures an impressive amount of debris compared with similar tools. Claiming the top position for overall versatility, power, and value is the Craftsman V20 Orbital Sander. As a cordless model, it combines powerful sanding performance with the freedom to work anywhere without being tied to an outlet. The V20 battery platform delivers plenty of runtime and torque to handle demanding sanding jobs, while the variable speed control lets you dial in the right pace for different surfaces and materials. Its ergonomic design and dust collection system help keep both you and your work area clean and comfortable. For serious hobbyists, woodworkers, or professionals who want strong, portable performance, this orbital sander delivers an excellent balance of power, comfort, and flexibility that makes it worth the investment. All of these random orbital sanders serve different needs and user levels. The DEK Pro Random Orbital Sander offers dependable basic performance at a great price for beginners and occasional DIY projects. The Galax Pro 280W Orbital Sander brings stronger motor power and faster material removal for handling larger surfaces and tougher sanding jobs. The Work Pro Random Orbit Sander delivers durability and smooth operation, making it a reliable option for regular workshop use and consistent finishing results. The Jealous Random Orbital Sander blends power and control with enhanced dust management, helping you maintain a cleaner workspace while achieving a refined surface. And the Craftsman V20 Orbital Sander stands out as the most versatile option, offering powerful cordless performance and the freedom to work wherever your project takes you. That wraps up our list of the best random orbital sanders of 2026, from affordable models for light home projects to high-performance cordless tools built for demanding tasks. Whether you're restoring furniture, prepping walls for paint, or fine-tuning woodworking pieces, there's a dependable option here to match your needs and skill level. Let us know in the comments which random orbital sander you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and practical buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and make your next sanding project smoother, cleaner, and more efficient with the right tool in your hands.